In primetime news this evening, increased COVID-19 deaths trigger renewed calls for Jamaicans to remain vigilant this holiday season. Abducted baby returned. And Auditor General report point to lack of transparency and accountability in audit of KSAMC road maintenance and repair process.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day: sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our feedback question this evening: in what ways have you adjusted your Christmas spending?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.